Hello, good day to everyone. Today we will attempt to do a reset, wipe, reset and recover and see how it looks like. Now for the Jade, how you want to do this is when you turn it on, in order to reset it, once you see the Jade logo flashing, press the big button one time. Okay, let's see. Right, you can see here, reset, factory reset, recovery phrase. We will do the factory reset. You want to reset, you're going to clear everything, which is true, cannot be undone. So think carefully, make sure you already have your backup. Okay, this is just to confirm that you do not accidentally press the reset. It will ask you to match the number that's shown on the screen here. This is not your pin, okay? Because when you reset, your pin is not relevant anymore. Yeah, it will start out to its original place where you need to initialize. Okay, we will see what happens if you initialize. Do you want to create a new wallet or recover an existing one? Okay, I will recover. How would you like to recover? Okay, let's look at that once. Scan QR. Okay, this is what we want to try. Okay, let's do. Oi! Hey, very fast this time. Okay. Do you want to log in with the? No, because we didn't set the passphrase. Remember. That's it. I think it's recovered. So now, how do you want to interact with the Jade? Okay. Bluetooth. Select your Jade on the companion app. There you go. Again, this is the same place where it will want to match the serial number. Okay. Focus. See here. It's correct. So you click on single sig. Go to pairing requests. Pair. You can see here confirm authentication value. You will see the same number on both sides. The passkey. Confirm, then pair. Okay. Now this time we're going to tell you to enter a new pin, just like previous. Okay, let's go. Okay, it's ready. The ready part is too kencang. Okay, go back here. Okay. So again, wait, hey, see, all the transaction appears again. So as you can see, it's pretty easy to reset everything and recover back.